crafty friends, this is Julissa of Paper Gems by Jules, and it has been way too long since I've done a video. Just wanted to craft, just wanted to play, and I pulled out one of the new sets from the August 2025 Kit of the Month. This one is called A Monarch Echo, and I am using a gold heat embossed powder on to start with this image. It is very detailed. It's beautiful, like seriously beautiful. So I have a couple of other ideas that I want to use with this stamp, but let's start with this. This was just being creative, like literally just pulling stuff out, seeing what goes, and having fun. So once this is heat embossed, I'm going to start adding some color, and I used 4 different Destress inks: Speckled Egg, Weathered Wood, Gathered Twigs, and Ground Espresso. So I'm just ink blending, like just general spots, like it's no rhyme or reason. It is just fun right now. Ink blending, I think this was also be really cool with watercolors and just letting it get wet. The paper that I was using was not going to be watercolor friendly, so I couldn't just do that on a whim, but that did come to my mind as I was doing this, like just kind of dipping it into the color and having those beautiful watercolor marks. I love the way that looks. So that's another fun idea to try as well with these colors, or you know, whatever, just have fun. So the darkest color, the Ground Espresso, is just kind of giving almost like a burnt rust kind of look, and I love it. I just love the way this all comes out. But you know, if you have any doubt, you're going to add a few more elements. So the next thing I'm doing is adding just some stamp spots with the Small Details background stamp, also by Unity. So I'm just inking it up and then just pressing it randomly. So again, no rhyme or reason, just do your thing. Next piece is the Delicate Moroccan Tile stencil, also by Unity. So the couple techniques here. So you can add ink through it, right? Or you can take a wet cloth like I did, what I used to normally clean, and I just press in there and it pulls the color up, and it also leaves the stencil mark. So it's a great alternative to adding more ink. This last piece that you almost missed is the Perfect Pearls, and that one is in patina, blue patina. Just figured it'd go with the theme with the blues and the browns. And in the latest WIT kit, there are these beautiful Sweet Sentiment ephemera that you cut out yourself. There's 2 sheets. Now, again, Unity is giving you a chance to sample the kits piece by piece. So this is something that I would definitely pick up. I love their sentiment strips that you cut out. They're just great little things to have in your stock, just, you know, to add elements to your cards. As you can see, I found a bunch of different ephemera. A lot of this stuff is from just my memberships. They send you lots of little free goodies, so I just kind of keep a little pile of it, and that's what I'm doing. Some gold string, just tie this up, and you make a mess. I just usually add like glue dots down, and you'll see me do this, and then I just kind of piece it together. If you have a better technique for this, I'm all ears. I do get frustrated because I feel like it's never as pretty as some of the other ones. You know, comparing is the worst, but that's what I've done. But either way, kind of go with it, and I just loop it around, make little kind of almost like a flower look in the center, and just do different sizes of loops for it. And again, there's like a sticky dot in there, and that's what it's all adhered to. For this little stamp, I used a little foam tape just to add a little more depth. I had some thin strip foam tape for the sentiment, and I love this. I just love this. Now I'm gonna just add another little layer before I put it on actual beige or ivory cardstock, card base that's that color. So I found this blue that was a close hit. If you haven't noticed yet, all of my cards do have a glued heart when I'm adhering them, so that when they are sent out with love. And then I had to add a little bit more of bling, so I found some little itty bitty gold sequins, and I'm just adhering. And this is pretty much it. This is me having fun in the middle of the night. Should have went to bed earlier. I had the gym the next day, but you know what? That's what this is for. It was create to de-stress, and so I did. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found some inspiration. Until next time, happy crafting!